And I would argue that the US economy is dangerously close to sort of tipping over what I would into a recession.
More than 2,000 points, losing nearly 7.8%, its worst day since the 2008 financial crisis.
We are now looking at, it's not a question of whether we're going to be in a recession. It's not a question of whether we are in a recession. We are in a recession, and it seems to be unfolding as a recession of really historic performances.
So things are not looking great right now, and many experts will say that we're either in a recession already or we're about to be in a recession. So don't panic. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that hopefully can help you not only survive for the upcoming recession in 2020, but hopefully also make you a lot of money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to talk about how to survive the next recession for 2020. So usually these are not the type of videos that I like to make because I typically bring you guys with videos about techniques and strategies to make money online and build a business online. But I felt that I needed to make this video because things are not looking great right now. As you know, the coronavirus is spreading all over the world. It was officially called a pandemic, and many of us in the United States are basically just trying to stay at home. I want to bring you guys with tips and real useful info that I know can help you in the 2020 recession, because I believe that things will get worse before they get better. But first, let's talk about what is a recession. And in a nutshell, a recession is basically when people stop spending their money. In order for an economy to grow, we need people to just go out and travel and spend money and go to restaurants and buy consumer goods, because that's how economies actually grow. This means that employers will need to cut down on their jobs, and most likely that's going to mean more people being unemployed. And what this coronavirus has done basically is that it has sped up the process of reaching that point where the economy is in a recession. So how exactly do we prepare? How exactly can we try to mitigate the impact of a recession? And that's exactly what I want to share with you today, because I want to share with you 5 things that you can do to try to make this financial process a little bit easier for you and your family, and hopefully it doesn't impact you as much. So the first thing that I want you to do is to invest in yourself. And this basically means that take the time to learn a new skill, learn something that can make you money, that is not depending on just your job or whatever profession you might have. Especially if you're stuck at home right now and you have nothing to do, instead of watching movies and going on Netflix and watching shows and things like that, why not just take the time, go on YouTube, start watching videos about things that you want to learn, whatever skill you want to learn, whether that is starting a YouTube channel, whether that is blogging, whether that is making money on Facebook, affiliate marketing, stock trading, whatever skill you want to learn. Take the time to sit down and learn as much as possible. So I want to give you a quick example right now. I'm taking an Instagram course that I bought, basically taking the time to learn how Instagram works, how I can grow my pages even more, how to find content, and many different techniques that, even though I knew some of them, by just going through a course is going to help me improve that skill even more. And this doesn't necessarily mean that you have to spend money to buy a course and learn a brand new skill. If you can do that, go ahead and do it. But if you can't do that, you can just simply go on YouTube and you can learn basically anything that you want for free, because YouTube is a great resource to learn any skill that you want. So take this time, especially now if you're stuck at home, to just learn a new skill and invest in yourself. Second thing that you should be doing is to start a side hustle. So whatever skill that you decide to learn, you can start a side business that you can do online. One of the best things about having a digital business is that it's worldwide, meaning that you can move everywhere, you can travel, you can do whatever you want, and you can still make money because your business is 100% online. So by starting a side hustle online, like I just said, by selling digital products, by doing affiliate marketing, stock trading, selling on Amazon, Shopify, drop shipping, whatever skill that you want to learn, you want to take that information and you want to put it to good use and start a side business online that you can use to make money if things go bad and you're not making money from your job. It could take you anywhere from 1 week to 3 weeks to learn a brand new skill, and then you take that skill and you put it to good use by starting an online business. And it can take you anywhere from 30 days to 90 days to start seeing some results. So if you take this advice and you actually start putting the information that you learn to good use, you can have an online business that can give you a full-time income in anywhere from 6 to 12 months. Now, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, I'm going to post a link to my free affiliate marketing guide below, which has over 40 pages that can teach you how to start an affiliate marketing business and how you can make money online selling other people's products. So like I said, it's 100% free. You can download it by clicking in the description below. Number 3 is to start tracking your financials. And this is really important because a lot of people just go out and start spending their paycheck without thinking about how much money they're just throwing away every single month. You want to be careful about how much money you spend on things that you don't really need. So by tracking your financials, there's many apps out there that can help you do that. You can go and download a few apps that can help you track exactly how much money you're spending on a monthly basis. This is going to help you understand where you are, and in case that you lose your job, or perhaps you get less hours, or your paycheck gets cut in half, you're going to know exactly how much money you need to survive, and perhaps you are going to have a little bit more money to save or invest back into your business. So start tracking your financials, because this is going to give you a complete picture of where you are financially. Number 4 is diversify your investment. Don't place all your eggs in one basket. Don't rely on a single source of income, because what you want to do is you want to have as many sources of income as possible. And you want to make sure that you're building each source of income that is reliable, and in case something happens, you have at least 2 or 3 other sources of income. So in case you lose one, you still have another source of income that is not depending exactly on your job. And the last tip that I have for you is not exactly a financial tip, but I believe it's quite important, because if you don't have this, most likely you won't be able to do any of the things that I just mentioned, especially at these times where everyone is trying to stay safe. You want to make sure that you're taking care of yourself, that you're eating healthy, that you're working out at least once a week, that you're sleeping at least 8 hours per day. These are some of the things that you can do to improve your health, and hopefully by having good physical and mental health, this is going to help you get prepared for whatever crisis we might need to face in 2020 in regards to financial or anything else that we might need to face. So you want to make sure that you're taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your family, you're taking care of your financials. And the best way to get ready for any crisis is basically to have the right knowledge, to have the right skills, and to have good health. So guys, I really hope that this video was helpful. If it was, make sure that you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe by clicking the button below, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.